Beautiful teeth, gorgeous smile can certainly bring you confidence and better overall oral health. I, unfortunately, did not grow up with any of those. I have overcrowding teeth that I don't want to show them at all whenever I smile. If you have disorganized teeth and are looking to do something about them, I hope this series of videos can help you make a better decision as I'm telling you my teeth alignment story. Even though there's no better investment than investing in yourself, dental work can be very costly, especially if you don't have insurance coverage from your work. Some generous benefit plans that I know will only cover up to $1,000 or $2,500 lifetime for orthodontics. At first, I couldn't decide if I should go with the traditional metal braces or the Invisalign because they both have their pros and cons. People told me braces will give you a hard time flossing, pain on every adjustment, and limitation on what kind of food you can chew, whereas the Invisalign is more expensive and slower. After gathering some information from online sources and friends, I started to shop around. And I strongly recommend you guys to do so to find the best orthodontist who can also give you a reasonable price. Think of it as if you are going to many dealerships to negotiate to find the best car. You will be surprised about what is being offered out there that can save you a bunch of money. Not believing it? Let's look at my shopping trip together. So I did some research online and came up with these 3 options or 3 orthodontists. I first looked at if they open on the weekends because I don't want to take my time off work for appointments and follow-ups. Secondly is the location. If I do braces, I'll probably have to go see them every 2 weeks for adjustments, so the closer to my house the better. The first one is the closest to my home, but it will charge $100 for consultation. They say if I decide to go ahead with the treatment, they will take that $100 off. Well, how do I know if the price they gonna propose to me is not already marked up by $100? I'm so new to this. I'm not sure if that price will be even within my budget, around $7,000, because I don't have coverage from insurance. So it was a no-go for me. For the second one, I went in, took photos and x-rays for free, and this is the price they proposed to me. $7,500 for braces. If you don't want to show the metal part on your upper teeth, you can opt in for a clear ceramic bracket for extra $200. If you want to do Invisalign, it is $8,500. What? On top of the courtesy discount, there are options to split up your payments during the course of the treatment without any interest. And if you choose to pay in full by cash or credit card, you get further discount. The dentist said, since I have overcrowding teeth, I have to remove 4 of my premolar teeth. If I want to keep all of them, my 2 big front teeth will flare out. And then I asked, would it look good with my face? Would it look good when I smile? If I choose to keep all of them? He couldn't answer and only said it's up to me to make a decision. Well, I totally understand because he doesn't want to be held liable in case I'm not happy with the outcome. They say I won't have any problem eating or chewing with 24 teeth, but personally I want to keep all of them if possible because I think as we get older, the bones get weaker and teeth can gradually begin to shift inwards. I don't want to look like this when I'm old. And look at these cute little teeth. I will feel guilty for removing them when they are completely healthy and well functioning. I didn't say no to the treatment, but I still want to give the last dentist a try to see if it can provide me a different opinion, advice, or even pricing. The last dentist also gave me free consultation with photos and 3D scans. Surprisingly, he quoted me the same price for braces and Invisalign. He was also offering $1,000 discount for new office opening. And of course, if you pay in full with either cash or credit card, you get extra $250 discount. When I raised my concern about teeth extraction, he carefully examined my facial structure and smile, and then he told me I can keep on my teeth and my two big front teeth will probably flare out for about 2 millimeters, which still look okay in his opinion. He said I have the option to try out the treatment for about 6 months. At that time, I can make decision to extract the teeth or not based on whether I like how I look, but it will cost me extra $1,500 because we have to alter the course of the treatment. This is the personal and professional opinion I want to hear that can empower me to make the decision. None of this happened with the previous consultation. If I remove my teeth and my face looks bad, it can't be corrected anymore. I was so happy because I can keep all of my teeth and see how it goes. It's my choice, so I'm willing to pay for it in case it goes wrong. After further negotiation, they were willing to give me extra $300 discount. Tell them you don't have insurance. Tell them to give you a price that can help you make the decision on the spot. It didn't take me too long to decide to go with Invisalign for its convenience, and I don't have to drive out 30-40 minutes to see the dentist too often. And I want the cheapest option, so I decided to pay it in full with my 2% cashback credit card. The final cost for me, $6,076. If I had gone with the second dentist for Invisalign, I would have to pay more than $7,700. What? Contract signed and boom! In my next video, I will be unpacking the 2021 Invisalign package, which is a little bit different than what they usually offer before. You are probably wondering why I did not mention about other retainer kit like Bite or Smile Direct Club. I will also cover this topic in a future video because this one is already long enough. So make sure you hit the subscribe button to get notified about my new videos. Until then, stay safe and take care everyone.